Alright, here we go. First video of this bike ever. This is a 1989 Honda GL1500 Goldwing. It's 35,000 miles on it. Had it for about 5 years. I consider this probably the best touring bike ever made. I prefer this over the GL1500. And I've never ridden a Harley that had a more comfortable ride than this thing does. This thing just goes and goes and goes. It's a little dirty right now, but lately I've been trying to get it ready to get back into the riding season. It's been parked for a couple of years actually because of the master cylinder. And if anybody knows anything about a master cylinder on one of these, you've got to pretty much take most of this bike apart just to get to the master cylinder. And then when you get to the master cylinder and try to bleed the brakes back on, you got to take the back half of the bike apart just to get to the master cylinder in the back. And then to do the front, you got to bleed the front as well because the dual caliper is up in the front. So I've done a few things to the bike. As you can see, there's some chrome goodies on it. I recently changed the front tire, put an E14 on there. I'm sorry, E4 Dunlap. Previously it had E3 Dunlaps on it. They were okay, but they started cupping after a while. So I've updated all the lights. These bottom box lights are the 6 lights. There's some chromes features on it as well on the dash. And just this last weekend, I upgraded the lights for a brighter light in the front, and I converted the turn lights into full-time driving lights. So you can see how those are nice and crisp and clear, and that make sure that you get seen out there. So, and that's the bike. Amazing. Oh, I also went to these grips recently. These grips right here are a lot better. They're a lot softer. No, there's no chrome on them, but there's enough chrome on this damn bike. So there she is, ready to go. All right, cool. Thanks for checking it out. Later.